This is a profit alert video. I already done a video on investment opportunity in ICICI Prudential Life Insurance long back, and I suggested you to buy this stock and it would shoot up in the near future. This is what I have told you. Let me show you the actual ICICI Prudential Life Insurance chart. Yeah, this is the chart. You can see the green line here, the green line around 600, the green line is here. Once it breaks out of this level, I wanted you to buy here. The target is around 800. So when you buy this, 800 target has met. If you are in this stock, please exit, uh, because we are investing the money for the short time, right? So you have to exit at your target location, so that we have the confidence to enter in another one. So let me show you what I have told in this video. This is the investment opportunity ICICI Prudential Life Insurance. This is the video I have done. Okay, so let me play this. So do you understand how powerful the strategy is? Now again I'll show you the charts. Okay, remember this 601 I have told you to enter. Now the target is 800 around. So let's go to these charts. This is the ICICI Prudential Life Insurance. So the green line, this is around 600 and the target is around 800. Okay, if you are into this one, please exit here so that you can make some good money. Now another thing here is I already posted a video on investment opportunity in HDFC Life Insurance. You can see this is the investment opportunity in HDFC Life Insurance. So actually it is also moving in our direction. So if you want to know about investment in HDFC Life Insurance, you can watch this video. I'll give this link in the description. If you are one among who interested in foreign stock markets like Facebook or Meta, Amazon, Google, something like that, Facebook also is ready to move in upward direction. So you can also see this video and you can invest in this stock also. So thank you so much for watching this. Whoever interested in investments in stock market, please share this video to them or to your trading communities so that they can also invest in this area. So if you really want to learn about all the investment strategies that are working in nowadays Indian markets or foreign markets, I have a course on that. You can approach me. I'm going to give my mail ID in the description section. Thank you so much for watching the videos.